Right here, I'm going to make a new entry and you will see that an automated email generated by my AI is sent to my this particular lead. So let's make the entry and see the changes. So here you can see that I have made a new entry having my user's full name as test user, email, phone number, city and the product in which my user is interested. Now an automated email might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Gmail account to check for this email. So right here I'm on my Gmail account where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this email having the subject, let's take your Pabbly automation further. And here I'm getting the same name of my lead, that is test users. So you can see that I have successfully got this email, and here you can see that this email is sent according to the product in which my user is interested, because I have used OpenAI or the ChatGPT for generating the content of my email. So now as a business owner, I don't have to check each and every new entry over my Google Sheet, and neither do I have to enter the email content manually, because by using this automation, an automated email is generated by using my AI or OpenAI. So now let me show you how you can also create this automation. So for that, we are going to use one and only automation tool called as Pabbly Connect. So by using Pabbly Connect, you can integrate varieties or thousands of business applications and automate your entire business task. And no worries, you don't require any type of coding or technical skills for creating this automation. You just have to simply integrate the applications. So let's move on towards my workflow page and create this automation. So right here, I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is going to be pabbly.com/connect. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is for the sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you have to sign up for free. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial, so you can create and try this automation for freely inside Pabbly Connect. But if you are an existing user, then you just have to sign in. And after trying Pabbly Connect, if you like this automation tool and want to buy any of our Pabbly plans, then I'm going to provide you an amazing discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discount on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it before buying any of our Pabbly product. You might get other coupon codes as well, providing you 5% off. But by using my coupon code, you can get up to 6% off on your purchase. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where we have to select a trigger application. So right here, I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Sheets, as I want to send emails to my Google Sheet leads. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as new or updated spreadsheet row. Now let's click over this connect button. And now we are getting this webhook URL, which will help us to build the connection between the Google Sheet through which I want to receive my data and Pabbly Connect. So as I will build the connection, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. Now let's copy this webhook URL and now let's move on towards my Google Sheet where you can see that I have already made a new entry having the user's full name, email, phone number, city and the product in which my user is interested. Now for adding the webhook URL, you just have to move towards the extensions, select add-ons and select get add-ons, and you will be landed to the Google Workspace Marketplace where you have to search for the app that is going to be Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So here you can see that this app is already installed. So make sure to firstly install it, and afterwards again you have to go towards extensions, and here you will see this Pabbly Connect Webhooks where you have to select this initial setup to get the initial setup dialog box. And here I'm going to enter the webhook URL which I have just received from the Pabbly Connect. And now for the trigger column, you have to enter the last data column of your Google Sheet. So right here you can see that the last data column of my Google Sheet is E. So here I'm going to enter it as E. Now we just have to click over this submit button, and here you can see that the setup has been configured. Now I already have a test entry, so I'm going to send this test data to the Pabbly Connect by simply selecting the send test. And here you can see that the test data has been sent successfully, and here on my Pabbly Connect I'm successfully receiving this data, and here this response consists of all the fields which I have just filled over my Google Sheet. So with this we have successfully sent the data to the Pabbly Connect, but you have to perform one more operation, that is you have to go towards extensions, select Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and here you have to enable this send on event so that you don't have to send the test data again and again to the Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect can automatically fetch it. And now as you will make a new entry, the data will be automatically captured by Pabbly Connect. And now I'm going to generate an automated email for my this particular lead. So for that, I'm going to use my OpenAI or the ChatGPT, by using which I'm going to generate the email content. Now let's select the app event as ChatGPT. So I'm going to select it. Now let's click over this connect button. And here, for building the new connection, you have to enter the token. And for getting the token, you can visit this OpenAI API's key page. So here I'm going to enter the token. So here I have entered my token. Now let's just save it. And here you can see that the connection has been built in. And now here we have to select the AI model. So here I'm going to select my AI model as GPT-5. So here I have selected it. Now it is asking me to enter the prompt. So here we have to enter the prompt or the set of the rules or the instructions which our OpenAI or the ChatGPT is going to follow and generate the email content. So now let's provide the prompt. So this is the prompt which I have provided to my OpenAI, and here after this word customer name, I'm going to enter the name of the customer. So now you might be thinking that I will manually type it, but no, because Pabbly Connect provides us a method called as mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map my customer's name from the response which I'm receiving from Google Sheets, as this is my previous application, and the process is so simple. You just have to select the field and press this slash symbol, and right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map my customer's full name. So here I have mapped it, and here I'm going to enter the product or map the product in which my user is interested. So for that, again I'm going to use the method of mapping. So here I have mapped it, and now these fields are dynamic, means these will be automatically replaced as a new entry will be made over the Google Sheet. And now we just have to click over the save and send test request. And here you can see that we are receiving this positive response consisting the content generated by my OpenAI regarding the email which I'm going to send to my user. So by this way, I have generated an automated email according to the interest of my lead. And now by using this, I don't have to send a specific format of the email again and again to my customers, because by using AI, I can generate separate email contents for each of my customers. So now I don't have to send a specific format. And now I'm going to send email to this particular lead. So for that, I'm going to use my last action step, that is going to be Gmail. So here I have selected it. Now let's select the app event as send email and click over this connect button. And right here we are on the connection page, where for building a new connection you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. So as I have clicked over the save button, the connection has been built in, and here it is asking me to enter the sender's name. So here I'm going to enter my sender's name manually, and afterwards we are getting this field for entering the sender's email address. So here it is already entered as my email address because I have already built in the connection. And now for this field, that is recipient's email address, I'm going to map it from the response of the Google Sheet. So here I'm going to map it. Now if you want to send this email to multiple recipients, then you can enter the CC and BCC. Now let's provide the email subject. So this is the email subject which I'm going to send to my user. Now for the email content, I'm going to use the content generated by my OpenAI. So here I'm getting this content which I have mapped by using the response of my OpenAI. And now for this field, that is email content type, you can either select it as plain or HTML. Now we are getting all these fields which are not necessary. So now let's click over the save and send test request, and here you can see that we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that an email might be sent. So now let's move on towards my Gmail account, and right here you can see that we are successfully receiving this email having the subject, let's take your Pabbly automation further, and right here we are getting the same name of the user for which I have just made a new entry in my Google Sheet. So now you can see that I have successfully created this automation by using which I'm sending personalized emails to my leads according to their interest, and I don't have to send a specific format of the email because my AI is generating email content. So now you can also create this automation and can use AI to generate the email content for your business. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now. And I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box. So make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.